Alright, we finally made it out of security. We got our stamp. We finally made it out of customs, rather, and got our stamps. So now we're gonna go find the train and get going, head to the hotel. When in Europe, it's always best to get the train. It just gets you to places quicker. So it seems like we're gonna be going to the railway station. Platform 2, 11:56. That's in 5 minutes. 58. Platform 4. All right, we got a couple minutes. Let's get to it. Hustle and bustle. Okay, we finally made it to our stop. Our hotel is about 5 minutes away via foot. So this shouldn't be so bad. I'll give you guys some more information on traveling via train when visiting Amsterdam. Just like that, we made it. Let's check in. Hopefully they have a room ready for us. Alright, see you guys upstairs. Thankfully, our room is ready, so we are gonna head to the elevator. Alright. For whatever reason, our room is up here. Voila. Alright guys, we made it to the Renaissance Amsterdam. Lots of nice wall art. Bathroom is so nice and small but cute. Nice sink, mirror, half shower. You guys already know how I feel about this. Never made sense to me, but it is what it is. Welcome to Europe. Towel, toilet, pretty straightforward. We are in a standard king size bedroom. So here's the king bed, TV, little couch area, as well as a nice magazine, desk. And here's some kind of, well, I don't think you open this, but there's some kind of window here. Oh, that's actually nice. My room comes with that, not all. And there's a safe, kettle, closet space, as well as water bottles that can be refilled because the tap water here is safe to drink. That is the room tour of Renaissance Amsterdam. So we are in the lounge. They have plenty of food and drinks and things to have until 8 p.m. It was only right to have a Heineken here in Amsterdam for the culture, but of course we don't drink, so we're trying the 0.0. We've had it before and it's really not tasty at all, but for the culture, cheers. Good old lounge. If you're here and you have lounge access, definitely take advantage of it. Okay, first restaurant of the trip will be Takumi Ramen. Let's see what it's like. Wow, curtain. Lots of different options. Okay, the ramen is out. So far it's looking good. Dinner was nice. Back to the hotel we go. Through this little alleyway that's still nicely decorated. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are in Amsterdam, Netherlands, and today we are going to one of the famous food markets called, help me out here?
The Albert Cuyp Market.
Albert Cuyp Market. So we're gonna take you guys with us so we can show you the eateries and how we experience this market while we're here in the Netherlands.
To London.
As soon as you come out the metro, the market is right here. And it's still daylight, so let's have a ball. But it seems like having cash is probably a good idea if you're buying loose items opposed to clothes. I'll get back with you guys regarding if they accept card for other things. How beautiful is this place? Now let's see how many things we can try. First thing first, a fresh stroopwafel, and this is really hot. Looks good. Let's see how it tastes. Definitely get a stroopwafel. Should we have gotten it first before a dinner or a meal? Probably not, but it is really good. I see Anthony's tearing it up back there. Let's see what we find next. So many different stones. And stroopwafel. Is it good?
It's not bad.
You like it? Happy for no reason. Hi, I may have to go in there. I am happy for no reason. Lots of cannabis. If that's your thing, definitely come here. It's legal and everywhere. Coats. It's definitely nice and not crowded on a Tuesday afternoon. Definitely don't regret coming here. Zepta Lebanese Lebna. Their bestseller. We may have to eat this.
Vegan and pulse.
Adam's pita. Pulse? So we definitely opted for the Adam's pita. And he's making it right now. You hear him? He said it's the best. So we got our chicken contraption. But I spotted a walnut, so we have to make sure that we know all the ingredients.
Right.
So let's check. Otherwise, it looks really good and smells delicious. So, treat number one. Okay, so that little contraption that we just had was delicious. Definitely try Adam's pita if you come here, because it was really delicious. So we're gonna continue walking down and see what else we can find. We're pretty much like buying one of each and sharing, so that way we don't get too full off of one thing. And yeah, I'm assuming Anthony liked it. Did you?
It was good.
Anthony gives it a 10 out of 10. So, on to the next snack. Now we're trying some spring rolls. I'm gonna try chicken and vegetarian. They have no more shrimp. And I know that one was good. Alrighty, so this spring roll is pretty tasty. I got a spring, Anthony got a chicken. Is it tasty?
Not bad.
And I got some sauce here. May end the night with some matcha and head on back. Now I'm getting some matcha. They have Turkish coffee and hot sand. And just like that, we are finished at the market. It's a nice little cute stroll through different kind of foods. So we are now going to head on out and find some more food. So come along with us as we explore the different eateries of Amsterdam. All right, ending the evening with a vanilla matcha. Wow. Now that the market is closing, we're starting to realize there's a lot of little shops on the side selling all sorts of things. But maybe next time. We're gonna head back to the central and explore and then have official dinner. But when in Amsterdam, definitely come and try the different foods. Okay, we're all done at the market. Now we're gonna head to the metro and see what more things we can do. And of course, what we plan on having for dinner. definitely recommend visiting this market when in Amsterdam, especially for good eats. Now let's continue our journey. Okay, so for where we're going next, we need the ferry. And we actually just found out that the ferry is free. It comes every 5 minutes. I know it's just a lot of bikes. So that's what we're gonna go do now and check out this museum. So now we're gonna just show you the things that you can do also. So yeah, we'll see you guys on the ferry.
This is the
Our ferry's here.
No, that's just 3.
Is it 3? Yeah, F3.
Is that F3? Okay, thank you.
All right, just like that, we're on this thing. And it's cold. Should be quick. Can't be mad when it's free. Just like that, we made it off the ferry. Literally all of 5 minutes, if that. Not even 5 minutes, actually. All right, the museum happened to just be right at the stop, straight ahead, which is perfect. So we're gonna go inside and have some fun. It's an interactive museum, so that always makes it a little more interesting than the traditional ones. So come along with us. All right, so we got our tickets. We only have about 45 minutes before they close. So we're gonna do the interactive part first. So it's different film things going on. Film catcher. Let's see. I think I'm gonna need my phone. I'll let you know how it goes. So you kind of just do that. And it plays on the screen, which is pretty cool. All right, let's see what else they got to offer. Back in the day in film. So while we're waiting for our flip book to be printed, there's a couple more exhibition things going on. Oh, well, Anthony found something cool.
Spin it slowly and fast.
Okay.
Oh, it doesn't make sense now. Spin it fast. Faster.
Hey, he's in. I see him. He's inside of it. He's inside the bird cage.
Spin it.
Oh. It's pretty cool. Right, at first he wasn't inside. Film book part 2 is learning about Tilda Swinton and her filmmaking. She's Scottish.
Yesterday they took the decision I've been half fearing, half hoping would.
So apparently she been into film. I just got in here, so I didn't learn much yet. But we only got about 7 minutes, so we'll see how much I can get.
Very happy.
It's a little freaky. Yo, we almost got locked in here. The lady was shutting it down, turning stuff off. I was taking pictures. We would have been in here by ourselves. Crazy. Our time here is done. This place closes at 7. And now we're gonna go find dinner. So back to the good eats of Amsterdam. See you there. This time we got seats. We're early enough to have a seat. Let's see. Hopefully this one doesn't fill up as much. Okay, so for dinner we are having Italian. And our starter is, drum roll please, calamari. cute little intimate spot across the street from our hotel. So yeah, I will link the name of this restaurant below.
Thank you.
So yum, yum, yum.
Nice.
Thank you so much. So I give this place a 10 out of 10. The pasta tastes extremely authentic. As you can see, my dish is clear, as well as Anthony's, which is a huge indication that it was very tasty. So if you are staying nearby or around here at all, definitely try this restaurant. So if you're around, please make sure you try this restaurant because it doesn't disappoint.
Savini.
What's the name of it?
Savini.
Savini. Okay.
Savoy down the street.
Say it again.
It's one Savoy, couple doors down.
We didn't hear good. Yeah, we didn't hear good things about the one next door, which is Savoy. But really, really good recommendations for Savini. So I'll tag all the information in the description box as well as on the screen to help you guys navigate good eats in Amsterdam. Ciao. Okay, here is the name of the restaurant. So the food was so great. That dessert couldn't be disappointing. So Anthony's having a tiramisu, and I'm having some vanilla ice cream with strawberry. And both look really good.